So I just graded week 5, lesson 5, and so many students missed number 8 that I thought I would make a really quick video and send it out to you guys so that you can see what the mistake might have been. So if you got a 9.5 on this assignment, it's because this one was, because it was wrong, and I wanted to actually go over it and make sure you see what you did. Okay, so almost all of you were able to tell me that because the log bases are the same, that this argument and this argument have to be equal. Okay, so you did great to this point. All right, and then you knew, most of you, that because this is a quadratic, right, meaning that the highest exponent is a 2, that you have to set this thing equal to 0. So you moved a couple things to the other side, which, again, you guys did very, very well on this. All right, and then the majority were able to factor this to be r plus 6 and r plus 2. All right, and then you were able to set each factor equal to 0 and tell me that r equaled -6 and that r equaled -2. Okay, and again, up to this point, everything's great. This is where, though, a lot of you said just sort of automatically that meant that there was no solution, right? That you said it just doesn't work because the answers are negative. That is not true. You are looking for negative arguments, meaning, and let me see if a highlighter works on this, that this part, oh, that's not a highlighter. Let's see if I can undo that. Hold on. Undo draw. Okay, highlighter. That means this part and this part can't be negative. Okay, these numbers over here that you got, this and this, those can be negative. That's not the problem. Okay, so let's actually plug those numbers in and see what happens. So if I put -6 here, I get -12 plus, and then when I square that -6, I get 36. So I get 24. That's a positive number. -6 works. All right? And if I plug it in on this side, I get the same thing. Okay? But when I plug -2 in here, all right? So again, putting -2 here, I get -12 plus 4, which is -8. This one doesn't work. Okay, so it's not just that you get r equals a negative, it's what you get when you plug it back in. So the answer to this problem should have just been r equals -6. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, so again, just want to make sure it's kind of clear.